See here, consider a uniform electric field E is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 3 I cap Newton per coulomb. What is the flux of this field through a square of 10 centimeter side whose plane is parallel to the yz plane, and what is the flux through the same square if the normal to its plane makes a 60-degree angle with the x axis. So, electric field is given along x axis. So, if you draw like these three axes here, this is x, y and z, and take the first case here, what is the flux of this field through a square of 10 centimeter side whose plane is parallel to yz plane. So, plane is like this, it means area vector is to this side, electric field is to this side, angle is 0 degree. So, we can write flux is equal to E ds cos theta. So, E is here 3 into 10 raised to power 3, ds that is area of the square we can write here 10 is square here into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter into cos 0 that is 1. So, we can write here 3 into 10 raised to power 5 minus 4 here Newton meter square per coulomb, that is here 30 Newton meter square per coulomb. So, this is the first part here. So, first we have to actually find the angle theta.